If you've ever wondered how to find old emails in Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to quickly locate older messages, even if they're buried deep in your inbox. Whether you're looking for an important receipt, an old conversation, a work thread, or a message from a specific person, Gmail has powerful search tools that can help you find it fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Gmail addresses. After you're inside your inbox, the main tool you'll use is the search bar at the top of the page. The search bar is the fastest way to find old emails in Gmail, but the key is knowing what to type. If you remember, even a small detail from the email, such as a word from the subject line, the sender's name, or a phrase from the message body, just type that into the search bar and press enter. Gmail will instantly filter your inbox and show matching results. For example, if you remember part of a subject like invoice, meeting, password reset, or order confirmation, type that keyword into the search bar. If you remember who sent the email, type the sender's address or name. If you remember a phrase from the email content, use that too. Gmail searches across subject lines, sender names, and message content, so even one useful keyword can be enough to narrow things down. Now, if you want to find emails from a specific time period, Gmail also supports search filters. One of the most useful ones is older_than. For example, if you type older_ then :1y into the search bar and press enter, Gmail will show emails older than 1 year. This is especially helpful if you're trying to find messages that are no longer recent and may be hard to spot manually. You can also search by date using the before filter. For example, typing before : January 1st, 2023 will show emails sent before January 1st, 2023. This is a great option if you know roughly when the email was received. You can change the date to match whatever time period you need, which makes it much easier to track down older conversations. Another powerful search method is using from. If you know the exact email address of the person who sent the message, you can type something like from:example@gmail.com and press enter. Gmail will then display only the emails from that sender. This is very useful when you're trying to find an old message from a client, friend, company, or service you've contacted before. You can also combine search terms for even better results. For instance, you could search for a keyword plus a sender name or a date filter plus a subject word. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to find the exact email you need. Gmail's search is very powerful, so don't be afraid to experiment with different words and filters. Once you press enter, take a moment to scan the results carefully. If you still don't see the email you want, try different keywords or adjust your date filters to search further back. Sometimes using a shorter keyword works better than a full phrase. Other times, searching by sender or date is the fastest path. And that's really all there is to it. By using Gmail's search bar and a few simple filters, you can quickly find old emails without scrolling endlessly through your inbox. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Gmail tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.